Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the basic Nmap commands which we are using on daily basis in the penetration testing. Okay, so I have opened the Kali Linux which I have installed inside my virtual box. So it is a Kali everything ISO. It is installed from Kali everything ISO. So let's first open the terminal. So this is how your terminal will look like. Let me show me. Okay. We can access the nmap with our sudo access also. See, we have got all the options which we are usually using in the nmap. So basically nmap is a network mapper used to scan any ip addresses or domains. Okay. So what are the open ports and services which are running, what is the versions of the services, whether any vulnerabilities are there. If some sort of ports are open, we will be using the nmap scripts. Using those scripts, we will be enumerating the information regarding the related to that port or maybe regarding that service and whatever it is. So first clear my screen. So basically, whenever we are starting nmap scan, we'll first state is a nmap and space. After that, we'll give IP address or maybe we can give any domain which we want. Or else first we will specify the options or later we'll give you the your domain or IP address. You can give the commands in either way. You can choose anyone. Like first we may be able to give like hyphen b hyphen or else hyphen service versions and all hyphen o. Whatever the things we need to we are scanning, and after that demo.test.net. We can give some domain also, or else you can use that so called one 168 dot. I am giving a random domain. I'm a random IP address. Okay, like that you can specify the IP address, or else you can specify this IP address in the starting itself. Domain or IP address in the starting itself. It is not a problem. Demo dot. Okay, and we can initiate the scan. Sorry, what is nmap? Not from. Okay, nmap spelling is wrong. Nmap. TCP base of OS can require root privileges. Oh, okay, for scanning. So if it goes error like it requires the root privileges, just add sudo in front of nmap. And now it is asking for the password, and the default password is Kali. But I am also using the default password only here. So it started scanning everything. So after scanning, it will give a report. So basically, what we are doing here means hyphen pn means no ping scan. Sometimes the server or maybe the domain or whatever the thing is we are scanning, so it will block some ping scans. So we are specifying that don't ping that scan, like no ping scan. And after that, hyphen p hyphen is related to that. We are telling that scan all the ports. Basically, 65,535 ports are there. Not bad. Ports will be 65,535. These are all the number of ports which we are usually seeing. So this many number of ports are there. If we do not specify port number, if we directly initiate any sort of scan, so at that time, like it will scan top thousand common top thousand common ports, commonly registered ports. Okay. In that maybe sometimes in that scan list we may be able to get the RDPs and all, so which is beyond the 1,000 ports, right? So all 389 port and all, because we are able to get that port number because it is a registered port. So if we do not specify any sort of port, it will directly scan. Like if you do not specify hyphen p hyphen or any hyphen p space any sort of port, let's say I'll show you that scan also. Specifier.net. If we want to scan for specific port hyphen p445, you can specify that one. Or else if you want to scan two ports hyphen p44580, open scan and detect the OS, and after that detect the service version. Okay, detect the service versions, and after that we may be able to specify the time based scan. E4 will make the scan to run slowly so that the target will not detect this scan. And we can use multiple types of scans in the nmap, so it is running a scan. If you want this output to be saved to your file, just specify the greater than symbol and let's say myscan.txt. After finishing that scan, that result will be saved to the myscan.txt, and it will be in that folder where you are present currently you are in. Let's speak what where I am currently present. pwd. pwd is the command. Currently we are in a home folder in that Kali Linux. Let's yeah, it is completed. Let's open this one. You can see myscan.txt. So let's open the myscan.txt. See, it is scanned for port 445 and port 80. It is open. Port 80 is open and port 445 is filtered. Microsoft Directory Service is running, and it is using a Apache Tomcat. Let's see, and it is also telling kernel versions and all. We can report this in the bandwidth grabbing and all. It is saying as a filter. So basically in the nmap scans we will find some sort of port scannings. One is open, so open means like it is open. Another thing is filtered means like some firewall has been blocked. If some firewall has been blocked during the scan, we'll say as a filter. Okay, and closed means normally closed port. This is basically about the nmap, and apart from this, we will be using the some sort of scripts also for scanning particular. um, let's close this thing first. Controlling. Okay, collapse this, and we may be able to use the scripts also for that one. Sudo nmap hyphen e on that particular port. Let's say this is the 445 port hyphen script. Seems like this there is a problem with this terminal. Let me open a new terminal, or else I'll go with the old terminal itself of this scanning. Let's say we are scanning for 445 port. Okay, and after that we are scanning for script equal to, we can specify https. Star. We are saying that let's run all the HTTPS related scripts which are present in the Nmap database. So it will run all those scripts on the 445. See, actually, it is 445 is a normally it is a regular one. So 445 is used for like SMB, SMB the server message block, and so if you want particularly perform a SMB related, sorry, yeah, SMB related script, you need to scan 445 SMB star. It will run all the SMB scripts and give the result to us. What is the filter? Okay, firewall is blocking here. So in such a case, we do not do we cannot do anything, and let's go for 80 is a HTTP. Yeah, it is running HTTP scan. It found a robotics. What is robotics shared MS temporarily disabled due to changes in the robotics API. Let's run this. Let this run. After running all the scripts, before the scripts, we'll just go through what the scripts. Okay, we'll check what the scripts are and where the scripts will be present and all. We can check now. Normally, it will be present in where the scripts are stored. The scripts. Yeah, local share, user local share. Let's go to that. Okay, in the home file system. Share map scripts. See, we can see different types of scripts, and in these scripts, we can use whatever the scripts is. See, we can see nmap script extension is .nsc. .nsc in the sense nmap script engine. This nmap script engine script will run the predefined code in that one, and it will give a result to us. Let's see whether it has run or not. It is still running. It will take a while for running because there are so many scripts, and after that it will give a detailed report regarding that script, and that's how we'll use the nmap scripts here. So basically this is how we use the nmap, and there are multiple uses regarding the nmap, but this is the basic use we are using. So if you want to test, if you want further, you can explore this nmap, and you can check the nmap website also. So there we have all the nmap commands listed, and if you want to explore manually, you can explore it by installing the Kali Linux, or else if you directly type nmap, it will give a overall idea how to use this thing and all. And it will give a script scan, the OS detection scan, service version scan. What are all the scans option? You can go through this documentation once, and you will understand thoroughly. This is that's all for this video.